Today is new truck day. Hey guys, I'm Alan. You're watching the Fireman Rides. So guys, I'm in Gastonia at Tindol Ford. It might kind of tip off what we're looking at here, but I have my 2023 Ram 3500. And if you go back, I haven't done anything in a while with it, but I did some mileage videos and everything else. And this is the Ram 3500 with the High Output Cummins and the Ice and transmission and everything else. And it's been a great truck. I've put 69,000 miles on this truck in 2 years. I drive a lot, and it's been a great truck. But I just the price of diesel fuel now is close to $6. The $300 oil changes, fuel filters, all that stuff. It's just kind of getting to the point where I just kind of said enough. So as much as I love this truck, I decided it's time to get out of the diesel game. I've had diesels for the last 30 years, but I figured it was time to get out of the diesel game. So let me introduce you to the new Fireman Rides vehicle. Say hello to my 2026 Ford F350 Lariat. Now, we decided to go with the 7.3 Godzilla gas motor and went with the two-wheel drive because, like I said, I really don't even use this one's four-wheel drive over here. I've literally put it in four-wheel drive one time. That's it. So we decided to go with the two-wheel drive F350 Lariat with the 7.3 Godzilla. And I already got all my stuff and everything there, but as you can see, it's pretty well appointed. Got the sunroof for my bald head. That's gonna be fun. Nice leather interior, heated, ventilated seats, all that jazz. And again, like I said, two-wheel drive. Really didn't need a four-wheel drive truck. Nice big bed there. And yeah, so that's it. That's, like I said, nice and simple. And this is going to be the new Fireman Rides vehicle. So let's go take a look inside. Actually, we're going to fire it up for the first time together. I haven't even fired it up. Move my phone. I've never had leather interior. I've never had leather interior, and I've never had LED headlights. So this is going to be first for both. So let's fire this bad boy up. Look at that dash right there. Ooh. Let's pull it out. Let's pull it out in the sun. Take a look at it. Good lights. Good lights right there. All right, so there we go. There she is. Like I said, Oxford white. I didn't go with the TriStar white. I just simple white. But the biggest thing right here is right there. Regular 87 gas. No diesel, no DEF, none of that stuff. Just regular old gas engine. And I've been impressed with the 7.3 from the time it came out. And you see it's just a big old overhead valve, simple as can be, V8 motor that should give me years and years of good use. So very cool. All right guys, so that's gonna wrap it up. Like I said, pretty simple. Just wanted to show the new truck. This is the new tow pig rig. We'll have some mileage videos. We'll talk about it. We'll see how the 7.3 is to live with. Again, going from a diesel over to a gas, that's kind of a big transition. Diesel guys usually don't transfer over like that. Usually they go the other way around. So again, we'll have tons of information and tons of videos and everything with this truck here. So if you see anything that you like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys. God bless. Roll Tide. And remember, tomorrow needs you. Thanks guys.